Hey guys, Ali from Alta. Hope you're well. Beautiful day here in Utah and Murray. It's a Saturday. We're just gearing up to get out of town. Headed north for some cool air, more shredding dirt. Anyway, so here's the setup I wanted to show you guys. This is the Arcylon setup. As you know, Arcylon accepts other racks into it. That's the way it was designed. It can also carry up to 300 pounds. Right now we got a SurRon type bike on it. But what's behind it is the 45er. So we got the 45er with a 6-inch kick out, which makes it really cool because it pushes the rear wheel far enough that if you have any kind of interference like this, like a handlebar or anything like that, it's gonna not be an issue because you can see it's gonna still clear the body of the bike. If I put another bike here, that's not gonna be a big factor. What's another cool thing about this? We got this 45er set up with a short hitch. So we got this thing sucked into the vehicle as far as possible. The Arcylon's pulled in as far as possible, but we still got room. See, and I can't really hit the body of the van, even if I press hard. So, because you got the foot peg mounts right here, and you can make them even tighter if you wanted to. So again, we got the short hitch to suck the rack in. We got the 6-inch kick out to pull the bikes out so we get clearance, and this kind of makes a beautiful sandwich. As you can see, if you Michael bring it here and show this sideways view of the rack and how close and tight everything is. This is really important. It's the physics of things as far as getting that center of gravity right, making sure as you're traveling this isn't affecting your suspension, because we're going to put 5 bikes on here, a couple of e-bikes as well. So it's going to be a heavy load as we go on our way. We got a 1,000-mile day coming up, so we're going to be doing a lot of driving. Hope you're well. Hope you're shredding the dirt. This is Ali from Alta. Have a great day, y'all.